I've been hearing a lot of buzz about the new ZOTAC MEK gaming PC, and I have to say, I'm excited to dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. As someone who's been in the gaming space for a while, it's not often that I come across a PC that's both incredibly powerful and surprisingly compact. The link to the product is in the description if you want to check out the details on Amazon. I've had my eyes on the ZOTAC MEK for a bit now, and after getting some hands-on experience, I think it's safe to say that this thing is a real beast. The combination of the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 and the AMD Ryzen 7 9700X is a match made in heaven, capable of handling even the most demanding games at 4K resolutions. We're not talking about some mid-range gaming machine here. This is a serious workstation that can handle anything you throw at it. And the way it's been put together is just impressive. The attention to detail and the overall design of the system is top-notch. One of the things that really stands out about this PC is how well-rounded it is. You've got a top-of-the-line all-in-one liquid cooling system paired with optimized airflow, which means your system stays running smoothly even during the longest gaming sessions. And with the 1200W 80+ Gold PSU, you've got plenty of headroom to upgrade or change components down the line, which is a big plus for anyone who likes to tinker with their system. And let's not forget the 32GB of DDR5 RAM and the 2TB NVMe SSD. We're talking silky smooth performance and incredibly fast load times. I've had a chance to put the ZOTAC MEK through its paces, and I've got to say, it's seriously impressive. The Wi-Fi 7 connectivity is seamless, and pairing it with Windows 11 Pro has made setting up and running this system an absolute breeze. Whether you're playing Fortnite, running graphics-intensive programs, or editing videos, the ZOTAC MEK is a joy to use. I've been using it for a few days now, and I've been blown away by how smooth and responsive it is, even when I'm running multiple resource-intensive programs at the same time. One of my favorite things about this system is how quiet it is, considering its specs. The all-in-one liquid cooling system does an excellent job of keeping the temperatures down, which means I can crank the overclock without worrying about overheating. And even with the RTX 5090 and Ryzen 7 9700X maxed out, the system runs relatively cool, making it perfect for those long gaming marathons. I've been playing some of the most demanding games out there, and I've been amazed at how well the system handles them. The frames are smooth, the graphics are crisp, and the whole experience is just incredibly immersive. From a practical standpoint, the ZOTAC MEK is a huge step up from your average gaming PC. You can use it for everything from VR gaming and graphics work to streaming and video editing. And the compact design? It's perfect for smaller spaces or those looking for a more streamlined setup. I've got a pretty small desk, and I was amazed at how easily the ZOTAC MEK fit into my existing setup. It's not often that you find a system that's both powerful and compact, but ZOTAC has really knocked it out of the park with this one. Now, I know that one of the things that might be a turnoff for some people is the price. This is a premium system, and it comes with a premium price tag. Some might say it's worth every penny, but I get that not everyone is looking to drop a few grand on a gaming PC. However, if you're serious about gaming and you want a system that's going to last you for years to come, the ZOTAC MEK is definitely worth considering. You're getting top-of-the-line components, a sleek and compact design, and a system that's built to last. I've also been impressed with the overall build quality of the system. The materials feel solid and premium, and the attention to detail is impressive. From the thoughtful cable management to the sleek and minimalist design, it's clear that ZOTAC has put a lot of thought into creating a system that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. And with the 2TB NVMe SSD, you've got plenty of storage space for all your games, programs, and files. In addition to its impressive specs and build quality, the ZOTAC MEK also comes with a range of features that make it easy to use and maintain. For example, the system comes with a range of ports and connectors, including USB-A, USB-C, and HDMI, making it easy to connect all your peripherals and accessories. And with the Wi-Fi 7 connectivity, you can stay connected to the internet and access all your favorite online games and services. All things considered, the ZOTAC MEK is an absolute powerhouse. Its combination of raw power, sleek design, and reliable build quality make it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a top-notch gaming experience. Whether you're a serious gamer, a content creator, or just someone who wants a system that can handle anything you throw at it, the ZOTAC MEK is definitely worth checking out. If you're in the market for a brand new gaming PC that's not going to let you down, I'd recommend taking a closer look at the ZOTAC MEK. As always, the link is in the description below.